Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Darul Arqam School FD Area Campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for class 6 subject English. Today we are going to learn about letter writing. So we already know that there are two kinds of letters. One is informal, the other is formal. Informal letters are also known as personal letters. These are written to our friends or relations in easy informal style. Okay, and formal letters, what are formal letters? The formal letters deal with the officials or with the business or to the principals of any institution. It has a formal pattern and we usually use invitation letters and applications also in formal. Every formal letter has two types of format which are already existing in our grammar. One type of format is block type, the other type of format is traditional type. What is block type format? The format in which all the contents including sender's address, date, receiver address, subject, salutation, subscription, sender signature and designation, all these come on your left hand side, but in traditional type all the contents come on your right hand side. What is sender's address? The person who is writing a letter, the address of that person is called sender address. Receiver address means to whom we are writing. Salutation means that how we are going to address that person. For example, respected sir, dear madam. Okay. Subscription means how we are going to close our letter with yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Then we have a signature, and designation means if you are writing to any organization, so what is your designation in that organization? For example, if I am applying for any application at the school, so I will write my designation as a teacher. Now here comes a title page for letter writing. You have to prepare a colorful title page of letter writing on your grammar notebooks. Just after the letter writing, you have to follow this pattern. You have to mention this pattern on your notebook. It is going to help you out in writing any kind of formal letter. Now on the next page, you have to write a date, tick the CW box, and let's write the first question for our formal letter, that is write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern about poor condition of roads. Are you agreed that there are really poor condition of roads in Karachi? A person can't properly drive on those. Agreed now? So that's why we are going to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper first. So here I have just started writing it. You can follow this pattern. First of all, I have given a sender's address because I am writing it. I will write my address first, then a date, and then I am going to address that person their address, their receiver address. Here you can see the receiver is the editor, Dawn newspaper, Karachi, and then I have given a postal code, okay, which is an important aspect of any letter. Then I have written a subject, that why I am writing this letter. The reason of the letter writing should be mentioned in subject. Then a salutation, sir. Now I have started my body of the letter. The body of formal letter usually consists of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is just to mention that why we are writing this letter. Second, to elaborate that, and third, to ask for their advice and or to request them. So I have started my letter. I want to draw the attention of the poor proper authority about the unusable condition of the roads and problems faced by a common man on daily basis. Here I have just mentioned the reason that why I am writing this letter to you. In the next paragraph, now I am going to elaborate it. The condition of the image in a road has become absolutely unusable with so many pits and holes. Here I have just stopped writing because you are going to continue it and complete this letter by yourself. Now on the next page you will write a tick on HW box. Here comes your homework question. One more letter you have to write. that is a letter to your editor expressing your concern about environmental pollution and your willingness to do something to change the situation. In a previous letter we were just discussing about the reason of writing, but now we are asking for we are giving our suggestions as well, that how we can help them to overcome that problem. Okay, now you have to write this letter by yourself. Here is your homework. Make a title page of letter writing, make a flow chart of formats of letter, do the given letters on your notebook. That's all for today. See you next time inshallah. Allah Hafiz.